Hello everyone, welcome to Pandas. So today's session will be moving to the concept of your lambda function. So this is a special type of function in Python, as well as when we talk about the pandas, we use this particular special function. So it is an anonymous function. The first thing, it is used as an anonymous function, which means that without a name we are using it. This function is replaced This function is used a user-defined function, and it's replaced the traditional user-defined function. Means with the help of this function, we replaced a traditional function we used in a normal your Python or normal in pandas, like how we are using that with the help of function name. So it will be replacing, because whenever we use this is the faster function. If it is faster than the normal traditional function, so it gives more fast on that. And as we know that it is also a simple one line function, so whenever we do the one line function, it is easy to easily it will be done and takes less memory time to do that. So there is a syntax how we to use it. So basically this will be the syntax for your lambda function, where we are using the lambda keywords on that. So lambda for that, and then we are having, this is the keyword. The first one, this is nothing but, so this is nothing but this f is your variable name or function object that accept and store the result of expression. So whatever the result will get will be storing in this particular area in the name of the variable here. So basically wherever you use a lambda function can have n number of arguments but only one expression. So remember that this is comes to your argument. We can get n number of argument, but the expression or the things, so the result will be always one. So this is your argument, that is one line expression. We just do the a cross a, like you are doing the square of that particular thing. So we are going with the square, we are getting this particular things. So suppose I want to go with the square of a value is 3, and I'm just going with a cross, so 3 cross 3, it means I'm getting 339. So this is how the basically the lambda function is used it. So we'll go with the two way also. With the help of map also we can use a lambda. With the help of filter also we can use the lambda, which means that using map and filter operation, there is a map operation and second is your filter operation. With the help of this two operation also we can work on the lambda function. So this is what basically the lambda function, we used a normal function in your Python as well as in a pandas to work on that. With the help of two things in a numpy and a pandas, we can import, we can use this acronymous function to create series data frame as well. So I hope you're clear with the concept of your lambda function in theoretical way. So let's move to see that in a practical how we have to work on that. So let's jump to the Jupyter notebook. So let's start with the creation of the lambda. So use the lambda, we just go with the variable name. So suppose var equals to lambda keywords lambda, and then we are just going with the name of how many arguments you want. You can take any n number of argument and that. So a, and then we are going with the a multiple of a. So just want to see the lambda function how it's work. Now just we want to store it, like we want to pass the values, right? So I'm giving the data equals to pass the value. So where now the a value, because you give one argument, so you have to get the one value. So I'm giving 8 the values, and then we just want to print and see that how the output will be print of your data. We run this. So this is how we have to use the normal lambda function. So now we'll go with the importing part, because we have to use in our pandas as well as numpy the lambda function. So import numpy as np, then import import pandas as pd. So importing is done. Now let's move to creation of the thing. So we'll go with data. Data equals to pd dot data frame. We are using data frame, frame, data frame, and then we are just going with some random values to np dot random dot random random the values whatever the thing, so we can give the values how many you wanted. Suppose I wanted 4 comma 2, I'm just giving 4 comma 2. And then we are going with the columns, like this is for the first one. The column also you have to give like how many columns you wanted. Like here I get the 2, so I just go with 2 or 3. So that is depend upon you what you want to give. So column LUMNS columns equals to, now you can give the, so column 2, after that just run this. When you run, just now we'll be applying the things with the lambda function. So data dot apply apply apply. Now inside the bracket we are using lambda lambda lambda, and then x or y, whatever the you wanted you can go with. So I'm just wanted, I just whatever the things I wanted, I just go with x values, like what are the values you wanted. So x cross x also you can go with, you can go with x into x. So that's depend upon you what you want to give in that particular area. So I'm just want to just go with the things like where I want to, so that how it's works. So I just go with x dot maximum values. So you can go with x cross s, though that is your way. So I'm just going with x cross x. So done. I just give the things are there. Just I want to print it. So print, and after inside the printing the data dot apply. We already applied it. Now if you want to go with use this whatever the values are there, so just go with the function name. Suppose I'm giving square. So you'll get the output on this, like whatever the things you wanted. NP, sorry, it will be going with NP because we used it the array. So NP dot square. Yeah, you got the output. So this is how you have to use the lambda function with the help of pandas and numpy.